Hi there and happy Mother's Day once again. We're learning today about 3D objects. The skills that you need to know when it comes to 3D objects are the following. Drawing a net or sketching a net. Skill number two is finding the surface area. Skill number 3 is finding the volume. And the 3D objects that we're going to deal with are called prisms. So if all faces are equal, all faces are square, we call it a cube. And if they're all rectangles, we call it rectangular prism or cuboid. This is triangular prism and this is triangular prism as well. This is a trapezoidal prism, or we can just call it a trapezoid. We are not going to learn about this or the pyramids or the sphere, the cone in this at this level. So let's get started with a cuboid or a rectangular prism here. And we are going to find the surface area. So the measurement unit of the surface area is millimeter squared, centimeter squared, meter squared, and so on, because we're adding areas. We're going to find the area of each face in the cuboid, and then we're gonna add them all. So let's start with the face that is sitting on the floor and the typical face to it, which is opposite to the face that is sitting on the floor, and it's called the top. So let's say the floor and top faces, which are rectangles. And so the area of finding a rectangle, the area of a rectangle is equal to base times height. Let's draw a little sketch here for this face and this face. What are the dimensions? 7 and so this face is typical to the top, and this is 3, right? So step number 2, substitute. So it's gonna be 7 times 3, calculate, and it's gonna be 21 centimeter squared. Now let's go to the left and right side. So left, right faces or sides, and they are rectangles as well. So start by writing the formula of finding the area of a rectangle, which is base times height. Draw a little sketch here just to know what the dimensions that you're dealing with. So it's 9 and this side here is 3. So substitute 3 times 9, calculate, and it's going to be 27 centimeter squared. Let's now do the front and the back. The front and the back. So front, back, and they are rectangles as well. And start by writing the general formula of finding the area of a rectangle and draw a little sketch. So it's 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Substitute, so it's 7 times 9, and the answer will be 63 centimeter squared. Now, To find the surface area, I'm gonna give it an initial of surface area is equal to how many faces, identical faces I have here with the exact same measurement, floor and top. So I have two faces, the floor and top, times 21. Plus, remember, surface area is adding all areas of the 3D object. So I have two faces with the size of 27, which is the left and the right, and then I have two faces with the size of 63. Now let's simplify. So 2 times 21 is 42, plus 2 times 27 is 54, and 2 times 63 is 126. Add, and it's 222 centimeter squared. Thank you for watching.